Okay, so here's the plug, all rubber and sticky. So I'm gonna stick this through here like this. Put it in about halfway, like that. And then let me do what it says. It says put the rubber cement on there. Yeah, I was gonna check the thing, make sure. It's okay. So let me just coat this plug with the rubber cement, like this, I guess. I've used it before without putting this rubber cement on, so I don't think you really need it, but let me try it. Okay, so I put the rubber cement on there. Now all I'm gonna do is just poke this through the hole about 2/3 of the way in, and then pull it out really fast. Just like this. About right there, I think it's good. And then pull it out really fast. And then it stays in there. The rest of it, you just cut off the blade. Let me go find a blade.